overall development of this new city. As a token gesture of the family for the continuance of his vision for this megapolis in the making, Amravati, we are happy to present a check for rupees 10 crores to be used for the development of the city. He never sees what has been done. What remains to be done is what he was always looking at. And he believed that dreams have to come true. The only way to do is to have the courage to pursue them. ఈ సభను ఇంత తక్కువ వ్యవధిలో గొప్పగా నిర్వహించిన మాన్య శ్రీ చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు గారికి